Hello. This video is to show how can a Samsung Android mobile device can solve the dimming problem when playing Spotify. Do you struggle the volume turning down when using a navigator and playing your music on Spotify at the same time? Let's see what should we do. First, to visit Galaxy Store. Search Sound Assistant. Download and install it. Open the downloaded app and scroll to the bottom. You will see multi-sound. Turn it on and select Spotify. Enable it to play audio with the other app at the same time. That's all done. Let's see a demo of trying this. Hope you can fix it and enjoy.